Hey guys, I'm gonna build a computer. Oh hey, you guys aren't my webcam? Sorry, I was just trying to start my Twitch stream up, which is a good time to talk to you about Twitch Prime. Not only does Twitch Prime help enhance your Twitch viewing experience and help support creators with things like a free monthly channel subscription, but it can also help enhance your gaming experience with special in-game content and even entire games. Learn more and start your free trial with the link below. Alright guys, time for the time-lapse. Yeah, so I'm not actually going to keep this time-lapse going for the whole thing. I did originally seek out to make a time-lapse video with this build, but it just felt kind of weird. I didn't even have all the parts for the build on hand when I started recording it, and I also ran into a bunch of issues with this case and my whole configuration just in general. Like, I like everything. Don't get me wrong, it took me forever to get the motherboard standoff screws in correctly. Like, I had to keep trying to reseat it and wiggle it around a little bit, and just there were some issues that happened, and it just felt kind of weird. I'm not really a time-lapse kind of guy, you know, so I figured I'd spare you that, and I'll just go ahead and show you the complete build. Now, really the main thing I want to talk about with this new build that I have is the graphics card, and more specifically the graphics card cooler. So a very popular solution with a high-end graphics card is to put in a custom water loop and a water block for the card, but I've actually gone for a higher-end air solution. So what I have right here is called the Morpheus 2, and this actually takes a stupid amount of heat pipes and fins on it. The thing's massive, and two 120 millimeter fans. This card went from a 2-slot card to a 4-slot card. This bad boy gets very cool, very good at dissipating heat, but not just regular heat, okay? We are just working with some stock heat. We're not doing a stock overclock or anything like that. No stock power limit. This has a shunt mod, and not just a liquid metal shunt mod. This actually has resistors soldered onto it to be able to bypass the power limit. It also has some of the inductors sealed off to reduce the coil whine noise. Honestly, I don't know if this is like an okay thing to do. I bought this card used from someone who did this, and he said he never had any issues with heat, but please let me know if I'm gonna break my card or something. But anyway, enough about that. What does this matter at all if it's not an upgrade over my old system? So my old system at 4K max settings on GTA 5 was able to kind of make a nice slideshow. Couldn't really run it that well. Now, I'm not saying you have to play this at max settings at 4K, right? Like, if I actually was going to play this, I could totally push it at 4K and have it be reasonable settings and still look really good. But this is literally everything cranked up. So if we go ahead and swap to the new PC footage, though, you can see we're actually breaking 30 FPS, whereas the other one's just, it's so bad. The other one's not having a fun time. So GTA 5 is really cool and all, but I know everybody out there is playing some Apex, so we're gonna go to the real footage. And as you can tell, over 60 FPS, maxed out literally everything on Apex. Again, if you want to crank down like anti-aliasing, why do you need that at 4K? You probably don't need max anti-aliasing at 4K. If you don't do that, you'll probably have a little bit of a better frame rate. Yeah, so I mean, this is my new workstation and gaming PC. This thing kills it. It looks sick, and it plays video games really good. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna go do something with my computer. What's something cool? Mining. There you go. I'll go get some Dogecoin.